In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Microsoft Copilot, an exciting tool that can greatly enhance your productivity with its intelligent capabilities. So let's dive in and explore how you can set it up quickly and efficiently. First, we'll need to visit the official Microsoft website, or if you're using a mobile device, your App Store. This is where you'll find all the trusted resources for your download. It's important to make sure you're on the official site or a legitimate app store so that you don't accidentally download something that isn't safe or genuine. Once you're there, you'll want to use the search bar. Type in Microsoft Copilot. It's what we're looking for today. This tool acts as an add-in, so you're essentially searching for an extension that will integrate seamlessly into your existing Microsoft suite. After you've found Microsoft Copilot, the next step is to download and install it. If you're downloading from a website, you'll probably see a download button that initiates the process. On a mobile device, simply tap on Install. This may take a couple of minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection, so don't be alarmed if there's a little bit of wait time. Once the download is complete, open the Microsoft Copilot app. A crucial step here is signing in with your Microsoft account. This gives you access to personalized features and ensures that the application syncs with your existing Microsoft tools. If you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry. It's quite straightforward to create one. Just follow the prompts, enter the required information, and you'll be ready to go. With your login complete, you'll move on to setting up Microsoft Copilot. At this point, you'll be greeted with some setup instructions. These will guide you through enabling all the Copilot features. So take your time as you navigate through this. It might involve granting certain permissions or toggling options to tailor the tool to your specific needs. Be sure to read any pop-ups or instructional content carefully. Microsoft often includes tips to help optimize your experience. As you go through these steps, consider how you want Microsoft Copilot to work for you and adjust the features accordingly. This might mean integrating with specific applications you frequently use or ensuring you have notifications set up in a way that complements your workflow. And just like that, you've successfully set up Microsoft Copilot. With everything installed and configured, you're all set to enhance how you work with Microsoft's suite of tools. I hope this walkthrough makes the process seamless and enriches your user experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your tech tools. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.